CDC warns a second wave of flu is happening now. We all know about this flu that's going around and it's killed a lot of the elderly and the young. You don't hear too much about the second strain of this flu. It's called the Flu Virus B. And according to this article, the CDC says that the B viruses are being reported more frequently than the A strain, which had been more dominant recently. Just something to think about. Make sure you guys are practicing good hygiene, washing your hands, and sanitizing everything that you can so you don't get sick. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to leave the link for this in the description. Just be aware, these flus have a tendency to turn pandemic, especially with how people travel, planes, and you can be in different countries in a matter of hours. Increases the spread of diseases. I hope you guys have a good day. God bless.